Well, if you're a homeowner and you're huddled around the radio, tuning in, listening...
Do people still huddle?
I think they do. I'm pretty sure people huddle around the radio in winter, right? It's chilly. If you're huddled around the radio or if you're relaxing and leaning away from the radio, as long as you're listening to the radio, you've made a good choice today. This is the Repco Light Home Improvement Show, sponsored by Benjamin Moore. I'm Dan Hansen.
I'm Haley Johnson. And yeah, what are we talking about today, Dan? We've got
we're
couple toys that you've invested in recently.
Yeah, and it's going to help everybody out there live a better life. That's our whole goal in life. That's our calling, right?
Well.
To improve everybody's life, and we are nailing it.
Wow.
Nailing it.
It makes it sound pretty...
Oh, it's impressive.
Serious, yeah.
Oh, it is serious. It's a calling. It's a mission. It's our mission. Today, we're going to do that by talking about these toys. One of them is a humidifier that I bought. And I know that doesn't sound terribly fun.
But it's a smart humidifier. So potentially...
It should have just been labeled a fun humidifier. We're going to talk about that. We're also going to be talking about choosing and working with bold colors in your decorating.
Right. I think there's a trend going towards bolder colors right now. We've definitely seen that in the Benjamin Moore 2023 color palette. So we want to talk about how to pull that off.
Now, you mentioned multiple toys.
Yes.
One of them was the humidifier. Are you implying that the other toy we're going to talk about are mesh laundry bags?
Well, I guess.
This is why, children, you don't want to grow up. The toys that you're used to become these things as time goes by.
It's like such a
letdown.
Adult, like, wow, my Saturday is so exciting. I got these mesh laundry bags.
But it's true.
No, it is.
Have you noticed that? How ridiculous the toys, the things that make you happy as an adult?
Spice jars that all match, and it was like the best thing that's ever happened to me.
It's so sad. I used to get G.I. Joes, and I was thrilled. Now I get mesh laundry bags, and I'm skipping around the house.
Oh my gosh.
There are good things to be had with mesh laundry bags. They're kind of a gimmicky thing. And I've tried them. You know, the big reason I really tapped into it and bought some and was really invested in this idea a few months ago is we can't keep track of socks.
Yeah,
that's
a problem.
It's a crazy problem. So I've tried a million things. My latest plan was to have the kids wad them up into, like kind of put them into a ball.
So they don't wash?
When they threw them into the laundry so that they were together. Yes. The good thing is they're still together. The downside is they're really crusty and they really stink when they come out. So then I bought these mesh laundry bags thinking this is the solution.
Yeah.
And you know what? It's still not washing. Now, it could be because I'm filling them too full.
Okay, well.
When the bag goes into the washer looking like a beach ball, that's probably too full.
Yes.
And I shouldn't be surprised that the ones in the middle aren't washing. But anyway, the laundry bag, as a laundry bag, I'm still fine-tuning. Jury's out. Whether I like it or not. But there are a lot of other uses that I think some of them are funny, and some of them are really practical, and I think there's a lot of value to them. So that's what we're going to focus on. So mesh laundry bags. I'm assuming everybody knows what those are?
They're like the small, either they've got a zipper or like a drawstring, I think I've seen some of them with, but you throw them in the washer and it just keeps things like socks together or like
underpants,
delicates that you don't want mixed in or getting caught around the agitator.
Yeah, I hate it when my underpants mix with other people's stuff. Mine should be separate. Goes in its own bag, packed tight like a beach ball, and then the ones in the middle are never clean.
Gross.
Yeah, no. We're going to move on. Yes, that's the concept, though.
Yes.
Mesh laundry bags. Now let's talk about some other maybe slightly off the reservation uses. First one would be basically right on the reservation, using them for baby stuff. Baby stuff is little socks, all of that.
Tiny little socks.
Yeah, because they're tiny little people. And you can throw those into the little mesh bag, wash them that way. Okay, there you go.
I like that idea.
That's an easy one. How about baby-related gear, like little pacifiers and all of those things, the bottle parts and all of those things?
Can you just throw them in the washer?
Do you throw them in the dishwasher?
Oh, okay. In the bag.
Most of those are dishwasher-safe, and if you put them in the dishwasher, they'll fall through the racks. They're all little, so you can collect them all into one of these little mesh bags and sanitize them that way.
That's pretty smart, too.
Make sure that they're dishwasher safe. That's important.
That's key.
Socks of all shapes and sizes. We've talked about that already. I've had minimal success with that, but maybe you can nail it. Here's where it starts to get a little fun. Beach toys. All right. Now you can get big mesh laundry bags, the ones with the drawstrings. I've got a couple of those. all the beach toys from the kids. I hated it. They'd bring all this stuff to the beach. They bring it back. It's sandy as all get out. Bring that. That's what you carry them in. So they play with them on the beach, put them in the little mesh bag. When you're ready to go, walk it out into the water, dip it into the water, rinse all the sand off right there while they're packed up and ready to go.
That's pretty.
And you can haul them out to the car.
That's a good hack.
I think that's pretty smart.
I mean, bath toys would be very similar, right?
Very similar. Hang them on the little shower with a little nozzle.
Yeah, I knew what you meant.
Yeah. Well, not everybody did.
shower head.
I make a lot of motions with my hands, and you can't see that on the radio.
That's true. Maybe we don't translate.
Yeah. The shower head would be great. Big toys are puzzles. Things with lots of pieces.
Like Legos or something.
Mr. Potato Head.
Oh, yeah.
Stuff like that. All of those are great hacks. There are more. I don't have time to go into more of them. We're going to put the link in the show notes so you can check out the rest. If you've got great hacks for your mesh laundry bags,
email
us
at radio@repcolite.
Exactly. All right, we're going to take a break. When we come back, we'll be talking about that really fun humidifier.
The smart humidifier.
Oh, it's smart, it's fun, and it's next. Stay tuned.